Hi all, welcome to the channel, welcome to the workshop, Happy New Year. I think I can still say that this close to the beginning of the new year. So there it is, I've said it. I thought I'd do a quick update of where we are on the channel, where the channel is going over the next 12 months, and hopefully looking to get a lot more subscribers. So please do make sure you like and share this video to any like-minded individuals that will get some enjoyment over the next 12 months from Will's Workshop. So the update is, at the moment we've got the DeLorean. That's only got three more videos, I believe, to finalize the hood box and basically get it to a point where it looks like it was at the beginning of Back to the Future 3, where he rides off into 1885. So that will be coming over the next couple of weeks or so. The Night Rider build, we only have 2 more packages left for that one, and that will be done in the next couple of months, depending on how quickly FanHome get them to me. But the more exciting news is the new items coming to the channel. So we have 2 new builds this year, and they are going to be the Brian's Skyline from Too Fast, Too Furious, and also the 1966 Batmobile starring Adam West. So they are the new builds. Really looking forward to get those. Really hoping to grow the channel this year. So they may not be the only 2 new builds this year. The other one update we've also still got the Mallard that's sat just there at the moment. That will be returning to the channel this year. Hopefully this Monday there will be a new Mallard Monday. So hopefully, if you don't want to miss out on any of that excitement, please do remember to hit that subscribe button and ding that bell. Then you'll be notified when I release a new video. Until the next time, I'll see you around. Cheers!